Nowadays, most parents have so many do's and don'ts for their kids. Their expectations are too high. They do whatever they want to do, but don't allow their kids to do anything without their permission. After all, they are parents, they are adults. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Nirmala Raturi. I come to you today with a brand new topic. How can habits be developed in kids? So without waiting any further, let's dive into the topic. And remember, every point is important and will be of great help. So watch this video till the very end. As parents, we want to shape our kids, we want their growth, their progress, and we even expect the development of all good habits in our kids. But we don't want to step out of our comfort zone. First of all, try to understand kids' behavior. A child needs a parent more than all the things money can buy. Spending time with your children is the greatest gift of all. When the child is 0 to 2 years old, touch is the first form of communication. Use tone and body language to enhance what you say. Respond to baby talk with conversation. When the child is 3 to 5 years old, give them complete attention when possible. Watch your tone and body language while talking to them. There are 9 minutes during the day that have the greatest impact on a child. Number 1, the first 3 minutes right after they wake up. Number 2, the 3 minutes after they come from school. Number 3, the last 3 minutes of the day before they go to bed. We need to make those moments special and help our children feel loved. Are you able to give these 9 minutes to your children? Think about it. Sometimes children need our attention. At such times, we should be calm and have patience. Look at this picture. No matter how many times the child asked, the mother replied, and eventually the child learned. My dear parents, children learn from their surroundings. As parents, how we act and the things we do, they rub off on our children. You might understand this after seeing this picture as to how children are affected from our behaviors. Be a role model. Kids learn by watching. If you want them to develop good habits, show it to them through your actions. If you want your children not to use mobile phones, first you have to put your mobile phones aside. If you want your children to listen to you, start listening to them first. Start giving them time. If you read books in front of them, they will definitely start reading books. I just want to say that our kids indirectly picked up on whatever we do. Regarding this topic, I can recall those days when my kids were very young. During those days, I had to go outside for groceries, the bank, or any other important errand. Before leaving home, I used to tell them where I was going and when I would be back. After coming back home, I used to tell them everything. Gradually, this habit developed in them and they started doing the same. You must have heard that habits are hard to build but easy to live with. I never ask my kids where they are going and when they will return because these habits developed in them right from their childhood. Adopt this technique and see the results. If our children are stubborn and are not ready to obey or listen to us, show disinterest in studies or other activities, it might knowingly or unknowingly be because of our own mistakes or carelessness. There are so many ways to tackle them. Here are some pictures which depict how to handle such situations. Along with all these things, we can inculcate some more habits in our children, like not to fight with each other, not to spoil others' games while playing, not to take others' things without asking first, not to push anyone, not to run and play on roads, to help others, to follow good habits, refuse if any stranger gives you something. Similarly, there are so many habits that you can develop in your kids, provided you are patient. Habits take time to develop. Don't get discouraged if it takes a while for kids to stick to them. Remember, don't compare your child with others because every child is different. So pay attention to your child's personality and needs. Give time to them. Be a role model. Have a blessed life with your kids.